I have some more errands to run today. I'm gonna make some fried pork chops, some diced potatoes, maybe some carrots for dinner. Thought you guys might want to come with me while I run my errands, grocery store, maybe get a tea. All right, see you in a minute. Thai tea. Let's see. Mine. Come. Right here. Here. And then we grab one of these. And voila. Um, this one, two, chai ca, song. All right. So we got our two pork chops. Let's see. That should be a good size head of broccoli. And then these are some cute little potatoes. So we got our potatoes. We've got our broccoli. We've got our pork chops. I got my tea. I'm trying to change it because I've made the pork chops now a couple times here. Ooh, some shallots. That could be good. Let's see what we got. Um, has anybody had a gooseberry before? What is a gooseberry? What are gooseberries? Powder. Hey fam. So about right here, my mic dies. So I'm just finishing up, picking up a few more items: the chocolate bar, ornament, toothbrush, body wash, a gift from my mother-in-law who will be visiting soon. But I made sure not to include that just in case she watches this before she arrives. And then after, I'm just gonna check out, as you can see, and head on home so I can get to cooking before I start my work in the evening. So I'll check back in with you guys in just a few moments. Hi fam, welcome home. Doing the transitions for this video, they were the first time I've ever done anything like this, so they were a little bit awkward but fun, and I think they turned out pretty well if I don't say so myself. Okay, so at this point, I did charge the mic a few minutes, but the part with me cooking is playing at 3 times speed. So I kind of sound like the lady off the Muppet Babies mixed with the chipmunk. So I'm sure some of you would love to hear that to get a good laugh, but no. So, what's on the menu for tonight? Tonight I did pan fried bone in pork chops with paprika potatoes with shallots and garlic, which is what you can see me starting. And then I just lightly sauteed some broccoli. And yeah, stay tuned to see how it all turns out and if it was edible or not. Okay, dinner's ready. I think it's about 7:45. So just enough time to eat. Looks good. Don't judge me for my tiny little blue plates. They get the job done. All right, fam. I think dinner was a success. Nothing but bones left. Thank you for going shopping with me and running errands. It's always nice to hang out with y'all. I love you. Bye.